Hey there, art lovers and Guardians of the Galaxy fans. Welcome back to another session of drawing and learning. Today's subject is a man of charm, wit, and some truly smooth dance moves. We're bringing to life Peter Quill, also known as Starlord. So grab your tools and let's get drawing. If you're excited, hit that like button and let's go. As we start to sketch, let's delve into who Starlord really is. First appearing in Marvel Comics in 1976, Peter Quill is a human-alien hybrid from Earth who was whisked away to the cosmos at a very young age. But it wasn't until the release of Guardians of the Galaxy in 2014 that Starlord truly took the spotlight and became a household name. I'm beginning with the basic outlines of Starlord's character here. As I do, let's talk about his backstory. Quill is the son of a human mother and an alien father from a race of celestial beings. His journey from a petty thief to a legendary outlaw and then ultimately a guardian of the galaxy is as exciting as it is unique. His character is also enriched by his fascinating yet tumultuous relationships. Be it his camaraderie with the other guardians, his complex relationship with his father Ego, or his sweet but sometimes rocky romance with Gamora, each relationship adds a new layer to his character. Now, as we're sketching the details of Star-Lord's signature helmet, it's worth noting the fantastic design elements. His suit and gear, including his elemental blasters and jet boots, are part of what makes Star-Lord so iconic. This character design is a blend of classic and futuristic aesthetics, which perfectly encapsulates his half-human, half-celestial nature. In the cinematic portrayal, Chris Pratt plays Star-Lord, and his performance has been lauded for its charm and humor. Pratt's Starlord is known for his quick wit, humorous one-liners, and let's not forget his impeccable taste in music. Who can resist a hero who saves the galaxy to the beat of some classic 70s and 80s tunes? Now let's move on to the coloring stage. Starlord's color palette is dominated by reds, blacks, and metallics, giving him a very distinctive look. While we're at this, did you know that Starlord's character in the comics was rather different from the one we now know? Originally, he was a more serious character, but was revamped with a lighter, more humorous tone to match the cinematic portrayal. Speaking of the comics, there's an exciting range of adventures and storylines featuring Starlord, from his time with the Guardians to his run-ins with other iconic Marvel characters. If you're a fan of the Starlord we see in the movies, I highly recommend diving into the comics for even more thrilling exploits. As we're adding the final touches to our drawing, it's hard not to admire Starlord's resilience. His life hasn't been easy, but despite the countless challenges, he always manages to rise to the occasion with a mix of courage, determination, and his signature humor. And just like that, we've got a detailed sketch of Starlord, a leader with an unorthodox style, reminding us that sometimes, even the most unlikely candidates can rise to the occasion and make a difference. I hope you've enjoyed this session, and I can't wait to see your versions of Starlord. Share your drawings on social media and tag me. I'd love to see your work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and fun facts. And that's a wrap, folks. Remember, art, much like saving the galaxy, can seem daunting, but with a bit of courage, determination, and maybe some killer tunes, you can create something truly out of this world. Until next time, keep sketching, keep learning, and as Starlord would say, stay groovy.